Uhuy, kembali lagi Pevita Pierce makan pepaya. Ya udah ya, ini konten gua mau nge-review film. Nah, film yang bakal gua review kali ini adalah film yang berjudul Dazed and Confused yang dirilis pada tanggal 24 September 1993 dan disutradarai Lah, jadi terbalik. Nah, dan disutradarai oleh Richard Linklater. Nah, film ini berdurasi 1 jam 42 menit. Pemain-pemain dari film ini ada Pink, Pickford, Michelle, Jodie, Mitch, Ilham, Mary, Angah, dan lain-lain. Cerita singkatnya nih ya, film ini menceritakan tentang kehidupan di mana detik-detik sebuah senior akan lulus dari sekolahnya yang dikisahkan pada tahun 1976 di Texas, Amerika Serikat. Ya udah, daripada berlama-lama lagi kan, soalnya udah malam, ngantuk, soalnya besok mau nongkrong lagi di wartol. Jadi langsung aja yuk kita mulai. Nah gini dengerin ya. Jadi mereka kan pada pelajar nih, pada mau lulusan, ya kan? Seperti pada pelajar pada umumnya lah. Pasti kan mereka berinisiatif untuk mengadakan party ya kan, atau pesta ya kan. Nah, mereka ini emang mau mengadakan pesta di rumahnya si Pickford, yang kebetulan orang tuanya Pickford tuh emang mau pergi liburan. Jadi kan rumahnya sepi tuh. Nah, di awal cerita film ini kelihatan banget tuh teman-teman dari Pickford yang lain pada mau sibuk kayak memastikan lu nanti malam gimana gitu.
How's it going? It's fixing to be a lot better, man. What time is your party tonight, man? 9:30, man. 9:30. Okay. I'll be there, man.
Later, alligator.
Wait. I gotta cruise by this afternoon for a little business, if you know what I'm talking about, so.
That's what you're talking about.
That's what I'm talking about, man. Oh, man, I'm fucking wasted.
Nah, karena banyak banget tokoh-tokoh yang keluar dari film ini, gue juga bingung yang mana dari film ini tokoh pemeran utamanya. Tapi ada satu tokoh yang menurut gue sering nongol, atau mungkin karena dia itu eksis banget ya, atau bisa juga tokoh-tokoh lain itu merupakan insecure. Jadi yang keluar adalah tokoh ini terus. Nah, tokoh ini namanya adalah Pink. Si Pink ini ternyata merupakan seorang atlet dari klub football dari sekolahnya. Lalu, demi kebaikan klub tim footballnya, sang pelatih ini meminta kepada semua anggotanya termasuk si Pink untuk tidak mengkonsumsi minuman beralkohol atau seperti narkoba, dan bahkan sampai memperhatikan pergaulannya loh si Pink ini.
What? Coach gave me something to give to you. They're really doing this.
Yeah. He wants them all back by the end of the day, too. Can you believe that?
Emang kayaknya nggak asik banget ya pelatihnya si Pink ini. Tipe-tipe bapak-bapak nggak asik dah. Soalnya pasti kalau kita main bola di depan rumahnya, terus pasti diusir sama pelatihnya nih. Soalnya nggak asik banget. Nah, karena mereka ini semuanya senior, tentu saja mereka kan punya junior ya kan, atau kayak bahasanya maba ya kan, dimana yang namanya junior atau maba kan harus kayak ditatar gitu ya kan. Dan ternyata ada salah satu dari teman mereka, temannya si Pink nih, yang namanya Jodie, itu meminta kepada Pink dan kawan-kawannya untuk tidak terlalu keras natarnya kepada adik kandungnya si Jodie itu yang namanya Mitch Kramer. Jadi ternyata adik kandungnya Jodie itu maba juga di situ.
You guys, wait up.
What?
Benny.
What?
I have a favor to ask you.
What do you need?
Take it easy on my brother this summer, okay? All of you.
Mitch Kramer?
Yeah, Mitch Kramer.
Yeah. I'm gonna give him a beating. You'll never get the little kid.
Well, just don't get him more than the other guys. Any of you. Kind of little, all right?
You got our word, sis. Little brother will be okay.
Thanks. See you guys.
Tapi kan tetap aja ya kan, namanya bocah bangor ya kan, tetap aja.
No. Of it.
Oh, there's just a little bit of bullshit and all that, right? Major bullshit. He's a dead man. He's fucking dead. Shotgun! What's up, buddy? What's up?
Where are you guys headed up to now?
We're going up to the Emporium. You gonna join us?
Yeah, see you up there.
You should sign my paddle later. I gotta get seconds with him. Wait. This is too slick. You next, Pink?
Sure.
Say, I already got this. Yeah, all right, fuck it. You know what? I'm gonna go find your little skinny partner Carl and his mom. And let me tell you something. I took it easy on you. All right?
Nah, karena si Pink ini merupakan tokoh yang ternyata tidak baik, tapi tidak jahat juga. Nah, akhirnya setelah si Mitch Kramer ini ditatar, si Pink itu ngajak Mitch buat ikut aja yuk ke party kita, nggak apa-apa kok gabung-gabung gitu loh.
But hey, man, you know us, we got a few sixers. You with us?
Yeah, I gotta go home and change. I'll catch up with you, okay?
All right, man. See you later. Hey, kid, take care of that butt. Hey, guys, hold up.
You need a ride?
Yeah. I think they left me.
Here you go, man.
Si Pink pun curhat kepada si Mitch kalau emang ternyata si Pink ini ada yang nggak disukain dari teman seniornya, teman-temannya, karena ya itu kebiasaannya yang suka mukulin anak bocah.
Yeah, there's always one senior who has to be the badass. I think O'Banion's gonna be the first senior in history to take that honors 2 years in a row.
Guy's a dick. Right?
Yeah, he's kind of a joke. He's not a bad guy to have on your side, though, blocking for you.
Yeah. Did you get it bad when you were a freshman?
Shit, man. They waited for my ass after baseball practice. Got me. God, it was vicious. I mean, actually, it is best to get a lot at once, you know, because after about 10 licks, your ass gets so numb, you might as well get it over with. I mean, I had some pretty cool seniors, though, you know. They'd take you out and bust the hell out of you, and then go get you drunk, you know, stuff like that.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Yeah, good job. Hey, man, look, since the party's not going on, me and some of the other guys will probably end up just riding around. You want us to stop by and pick you up?
What, you think that's a good idea?
Oh, yeah, sure, man, no problem. Even after you've gotten it bad, the guys who haven't got you yet will give you a few days to rest. It'd be a pretty cool move to show up and let them know it doesn't bother you that much.
Yeah, okay. Cool.
See you later?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for the ride, man.
Hey, man, put some ice on it for a while. After that, it won't be anything if your beers can't take care of. Hey, Miss Bickford.
Hi, guys. You here to see Kevin?
No, actually, we came here to see you.
Oh. But you're glad school's out, aren't you?
Yeah, we got our report cards
How
today.
did you do?
Straight A's.
Both of you?
Yeah. Big trip, huh?
We're going away for the weekend.
Oh, you're taking Kev with you, huh?
No, he's staying here.
Oh, he is? Oh, cool. Thanks.
Go on in. He's up there somewhere.
Nah, singkat cerita, pas dua orang temennya ini, temen dari si Pickford kan mau ke rumahnya Pickford. Nah, kelihatan tuh orang tuanya si Pickford emang mau pergi liburan. Karena kan emang mereka kan mau party di rumah Pickford karena orang tuanya kan mau pergi liburan nih karena rumah sepi. Ternyata orang tuanya tuh malah nggak jadi karena
Shabanga. Who is it?
Kevin, I think you need to come out here a minute.
Oh, man, it reeks in here.
Slater, Kevin, there's someone out here who says he needs to talk to you.
Here.
What about?
Go get the door, man. Here. Slater, lose it.
Kevin, open the door.
Lose it, man. Damn. Hey, Dad. Huh? What's up?
Did you order some kegs of beer?
No.
Well, there's a fella in a beer truck out on the street that says you did.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Just a sec. Shit. That guy said I ordered a keg of beer?
Yeah, he said it was to be delivered to the Pickford residence.
This address.
This address.
That's kind of funny. Why don't I go out there and see what's going on?
Yeah, I think you better.
I'll be right back.
You guys know anything about a party here tonight?
No, sir.
No.
Hey, man. Aren't you a little bit early?
Yeah, about an hour and a half, man. See, I want to get here by early, see if anyone's here, man. I got this little action happening tonight, man, if you know what I mean.
So I guess you got the wrong house.
Oh. Yeah, inconvenience for you. I'm sorry. Brought Mr. Pickford all together.
Hey, these things happen. Don't worry about it. Ben?
Yeah.
Were you going to have a party here tonight, son?
I don't know what that was all about.
Start unpacking. We're not going anywhere.
Frank. Frank.
Karena zaman dulu teknologinya nggak secanggih sekarang, nggak bisa tuh yang namanya langsung WhatsApp ke grup buat ngabarin anak-anak kalau partinya itu cancel di rumah Pickford. Nggak bisa tuh yang namanya nyindir-nyindir di status WhatsApp. Nah, karena kejadian tadi yang si Pickford ketahuan tukang birnya udah nyampe rumah duluan, kan itu di rumahnya ada 2 temannya lagi. Nah, mungkin karena ada temennya itu ngabarin ke teman-teman lainnya ya kan, dari mulut ke mulut. Jadi ya mereka tetap berangkat dan akhirnya pesta itu tetap jadi. Namun pesta itu dipindahkan di suatu tempat terbuka.
Mencoba sekarang mencari peran, banyak terlihat di koran-koran. Dirinya hanya memikirkan uang, sampai KPK kita dilemahkan. Bikin undang-undang selemek ketan, demokrasi runtuh, dasar kau setan. Ini Indonesia penuh dengan cinta, jangan jadikan bangsa ini gila. Tuhan, 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 tolong bukan Tuhan. 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 Anda berdasi dan bersafari, jangan buat negeri semakin ngeri. Anda duduk santai, rakyat terbantai. Demi pertahankan demokrasi, kami menyorakkan dengan kata-kata, tapi dibalas dengan senjata.
Nah, karena mereka kan udah ngumpul begitu, udah rame, akhirnya mereka jadi ya kan ngumpul ceban pertama PT-PT, ya udah party-party ya kan, happy-happy, mau lulus nih ya kan. Nah, pas udah selesai party nih, pas udah tinggal kentangnya, sebagian dari mereka mengajak si Pink untuk geser nih ke lapangan atau stadion gitu. Mungkin tempat si Pink itu latihan klub footballnya ya kan. Mungkin dengan alasan kayak, bikin kenang-kenangan yuk, kita udah terakhir nih ya kan, mau kelulusan. Kita udah ya ke lapangan itu, ke stadion gitu mungkin. Akhirnya mereka pun geser tuh ke stadion, menghabiskan malam bersama.
Let's go smoke a joint, man. On the 50 fucking yard line and honor your daddy who's coming.
We're there. Great idea.
Yeah, man, with the plan.
Wanna come with me?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, dude, man. Just pull off.
Hey.
Joint subcommittee meeting on the 50-yard line in 15. You there?
Okay.
Don, y'all ride with me, man. Let's hit it.
This is cash, man.
It's in there, man.
It's cash. You can ride with us, man, but you're riding in the back, because I got a shotgun.
Yeah.
Hey.
Watch the leather, man.
can't believe this. You act like you're so oppressed. And you guys are kings of the school. You get away with whatever you want. What are you bitching about?
Well, look, man, all I'm saying is that if I ever start referring to these as the best years of my life, remind me to kill myself.
Well, all I'm saying is I just want to look back and say that I did it the best I could while I was stuck in this place. Had as much fun as I could when I was stuck in this place. Played as hard as I could when I was stuck in this place. Dogged as many chicks as I could when I was stuck in this place.
Yeah, right, Mr. Premature ejaculation.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good, baby.
Loh. Lagi asik-asik menghabiskan malam, kok?
All of you, get over here. Now.
Hey, man, this is a pot.
Is it illegal to be in the
Tuh kan, akhirnya mereka ketahuan tuh lagi ngapain di lapangan.
Come on, Slater.
What'd we do?
You got any Visine? Man, I can't believe this.
How you doing, Dick? Well. Couple of football players. Wonder what coach is gonna think all this.
Akhirnya si Pink pun harus berhadapan dengan pelatihnya yang pagi itu langsung dipanggil juga oleh petugas yang kebetulan melihat anak-anak muda itu sedang apa gitu di lapangan, kan aneh-aneh aja. Akhirnya si Pink ini harus bertanggung jawab ngomong ke pelatihnya.
Dawson, get your scrawny butts over here.
Morning, Coach.
So what the hell's going on? Why am I getting wake-up calls from the cops?
Oh, there was nothing. They just left just now.
False alarm, Coach.
Come here, Randy. Come here. You been out with those losers all night?
Hey, Coach Conrad. Remember me? Second period, gym class?
That's the kind of people I was telling you about. Trouble like this means nothing to that bunch of clowns. You're the one with something to lose.
Now, Coach, you don't even know them.
Randy.
How can you even pretend to talk that way, huh?
Okay, Randy. I shouldn't do this, but I'm willing to wipe the slate clean and forget about all of this. I want you to finally get your priorities straightened out, quit hanging out with that bunch of hoodlums, and sign your commitment to your team. Have you done that yet?
I'm still thinking about it.
No one's paying you to think about it. Just do it, son.
You know, Coach, I gotta get going. Me and my loser friends, you know, we gotta go get Aerosmith tickets. Top priority of the summer. Oh, Coach, I forgot. I might play ball, but I will never sign that. That's rock and roll.
All right, man. Living. Shit, I'm getting my third win. Let's get on the road.
Let's go. You gonna come, man?
No, I'm shotgun.
Tired?
Yeah.
All right, bitch. We'll talk to you later then.
You guys not going?
Yeah, can I use your keys?
It's time to boogie on out of here.
Hey.
Let's do it.
So that's that, huh? All right. Fight.
Nah, udah sampai situ filmnya udah kelar. Nah, menurut saya sih filmnya kurang memuaskan ya, karena begitu doang. Nah, tapi jika kita mencerna lagi, mungkin film itu bertujuan untuk memberitahu kepada penonton bahwa ini loh kehidupan anak-anak sebelum lulus, merayakan kelulusan gitu. Ini loh kita udah sekolah ibaratnya ya kan, udah 3 tahun pakai seragam tiap Senin, upacara dijemur telat ya kan. Jadi mereka atau si pelajar-pelajar ini merayakan kelulusannya ya kan. Jadi sampai sini aja ya. Nah, buat teman-teman yang punya saran buat gua nge-review film apa lagi, boleh ya komen di bawah. Terima kasih yang udah nonton. Dah.